Cow. Award. Resume. Cow.
No one has told her.
One has told her. No.
Who did you send your cover letter to? Later. Letter.
A great cover letter. Letter. I've done 2 video calls today. I've done 2 I've sent them my resume and cover letter. Now I just have to wait and see if they'll contact me for an interview. Nearby.
Resume.
Similar. Nearby.
Yes, Mom, I've written my cover letter. I mentioned all the things you suggested. Would you like to check it? I didn't send it yet. Have you done an interview today?
I've done some work.
What have you done today?
This is my resume.
She's written in her journal. This morning.
I haven't told you everything.
Resume.
Chess. Cow. Factory.
I've done 2 video calls today.